Alright, so my name is Winston on Cowboy Ranch Life YouTube channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below and click on the bell notification button to see all of our videos that we're going to put on. Try to hold the camera a little bit more steady there. So, today we're working on part 2 of getting the blades prepped for painting. The part 1, we got all the sandblasting done, them tore apart and dismantled. Actually, this would be part 3, I guess, because part 1 I showed you guys what our project was. Part 2 is sandblasting, and part 3 is this one, which we are prepping for painting. So prepping for painting means we have to grind everything smooth if there's been any added modifications. We need to weld on it if there's been any cracks or structural damage, and then we are going to start painting on it after we blow it off to make sure all the dirt and sand and dust is off of it so the paint sticks to the 9th degree. So with that said, let's slide on into Justice and see what he's working on right now, because I think he's doing something that makes this all happen.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, why it is important to wear safety goggles, long sleeve shirts, and such as that. We wear safety goggles when we are sandblasting and grinding because any little particle or something that repels and flies back will hit you in the face, and 1, it hurts, and 2, it can damage your eyes or such as that. And then a long sleeve shirt, when we try to wear a long sleeve shirt when we're welding, because when you weld, like a drop of weld or slag will land on your arm or wherever it lands, obviously, and it will burn really bad. It's worse than sunburn, so that's why we wear a long sleeve shirt. And if you look really close to the long sleeve shirt, you will notice there's already holes in the long sleeve shirt. So it is very important to do these things because it will help your eyes and arms and such as that to last a lot longer. And also, earplugs is a big factor. We try to always wear the earplugs or the earmuffs. That helps to shut down as much volume in the ears. So that also helps to help the ears. So I guess with that, we're going to move on to the rest of the video.
Alright guys, so now that we've got them sandblasted, we've got some painting to do. These welds all get grinded because, as you can see, they're not pretty at all. So they all get grinded, guys. We're going to replace, like there, somebody put wire for a clip. We're going to replace that. Going to clean it up the rest of the way. There's grinds here we're going to clean up. You can see in there, it's actually broken. Right there is cracks and it's broken. So we're going to grind all that smooth, and then I'm going to re-weld it. And same with right there, is cracked and broken, as you can see. So we're just going to do a little bit of grinding and cleaning up, kind of cleaning it up to make it look like it was from the factory. Make all that ugly stuff go away, if you can see that. So with that said, guys, let's start the grinding. Alright, so we're back out here in the yard where we're going to start painting. As you can see, we had to do a few welds and touch-ups. I'm not a great welder, but at least it works, and it's not half bad. So anyway, as you can see that, over here we did the same thing with this one. Ground on the old welds and then welded once or twice to make them more sturdy because they were cracking out in a place or two. So then I'll show you guys. This is an old weld from the guy that owned it before us, and then this is the weld that I laid. We do that just for sturdiness because, like I've explained before, they do crack out. And that's one bracket. And then here's the other one, and it cracked out as well. So, not too bad of welding for a guy that doesn't hang on the welder much. So, anyway, with that said, guys, next video should be on painting. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below and follow us on Instagram. Also hit the like button on this video and comment with any questions or suggestions you might have. And we gotta get back to work, guys, because as you know, sandblasting cannot stay in the weather too long or it starts rusting again because it's perfectly clean metal. So, with that said, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I hope to catch you on the next one and hope you guys have an awesome day.